Hi, so welcome to section 6, video 34, and in this video we're going to be covering the final link building strategy of this course, which is called the Skyscraper link building strategy. So jumping straight into it, this is one of my favorites by the way, and it works as follows. We're going to find a relevant piece of content with lots of backlinks. Ideally, you're looking for 80 referring domains or more, but if you can't find that, then yeah, there or thereabouts will do the job. So a piece of content that lots of people are linking to because it is very good. Next, you're going to create something even better. And this is where the skyscraper part comes in because you're building something that is even better, taller, in this case, to keep the metaphor going. So how do you create better content? Well, here are a few ideas. If it's a listicle, i.e. it's saying something along the lines of, here are 34 tips to lose weight, then you could add more tips. Maybe you could say, here are 40 tips to lose weight, and actually provide genuine value here. So not just tips to kind of fluff it up a little bit and to add those numbers. No, you do actually want to provide genuine content and genuine value. Freshness. Can you add newer images, newer screenshots if the article is slightly outdated? Design. Can you make it more visually appealing? So for example, if the article that is currently doing well isn't that great to look at, maybe there's not that much white space, can you make it more visually appealing with the colors that you choose? Can you go in more depth? So are there some details that are missing from the original article, and can you make it more actionable, perhaps? Make sure you're adding genuine value with all of these tips. So like I say at the top, it's not just enough to add more tips. You actually want to make sure you're providing genuine value. That's the only way this strategy is going to work. So that is step 2, create something better. And then the final step is to ask those linking to the original piece to link to your superior content instead. Now, I'm not going to show you an example of this because we've already been on Google a bunch of times, and the process is, as you can see, very similar to what we've done before. The only difference being you're trying to find great pieces of content that you can then suggest to webmasters that your content's actually better for these reasons, and then you're going to reach out to them. The way you can reach out to them, and I'll link to this template in the resources of this video, is as follows. So hey, name of the web owner, I was searching for articles about your topic and came across this page, so a page on their website. I noticed that you linked to a great article title. Just wanted to give you a heads up that I created a similar article. It's like name of the article, but more thorough and up to date, and then provide a link to your page. Might be worth a mention on your page. Either way, keep up the awesome work. Best wishes, your name. So you can see again, as the underlying theme through all of these strategies, it's not too pushy, not too salesy. You're just trying to provide genuine value to these website owners, and hopefully in return, they will give you a link to your website. And there you have it. That is the end of this strategy. It's the end of all these strategies in this section. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.